guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Deb. Today is Sunday. I got my lovely assistant here. As you can see, she was in my first videos. She's back. She's gonna be helping me today. But yeah, I'm gonna be making macaroni and cheese under the oven. So let's get started. Alright you guys, so for my macaroni and cheese under the oven, I need a pound of macaroni, a half of butter, 1/2 flour, 4 cups of milk, 6 cups shredded cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a half of breadcrumbs, but I'm going to substitute it with bacon today. Let's get started. First thing, we're going to wash our hands and we're going to boil our macaroni. We're going to let our macaroni come to a boil until they're nice and soft. Alright you guys, so we're going to fry it with bacon. Alright, now I'm going to strain my noodles. Alright you guys, so we're going to make our sauce for our macaroni. So I got a half of butter here. I'm going to put that in here. I'm going to let it melt. Alright, our butter is melted. You can use flour, but I use this Wondra. It's an all-purpose flour. It's pretty much the same thing, but when you add it to water, it doesn't clump up like regular flour would. So I'm going to use a half a cup and I'm going to put it inside of my butter mixture and I'm going to whisk that up for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of milk. Now I'm going to add some pepper and some garlic powder, or you can use garlic salt, and some salt. And I'm going to whisk this up for a couple minutes until it becomes thick. When my bacon becomes crispy, I'm going to put it on a napkin just to take out all the grease. Alright you guys, my sauce is nice and thick. Now we're going to put the macaroni and cheese together. Alright guys, so I'm going to put my macaroni in here. I'm not going to put all of it. I'm going to put about half. And then I'm going to get my cheese mixture and I'm going to put some on top of my macaroni. You can use 6 cups of cheese, but I'm going to use however much I want to put because if you're a cook, you pretty much know. You really don't have to measure. And then I'm going to layer this with the rest of the macaroni. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use the rest of the mixture. Then I'm going to add pepper, salt, garlic powder, and I'm just gonna go crazy with this cheese on top. I like it cheesy, so now we're gonna place this in the oven. Alright you guys, I got my bacon right here. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's crunchy, so it's easy to cut. I'm just going to cut it into pieces. Alright you guys, so this is what I ended up with. Alright, guys, now it's time to serve. And then we're gonna top this with some bacon. And that's it, guys. That's my macaroni and cheese.